So today is a new day. It's a new day, a beautiful day. And oh, I'm so happy. Oh, we got the bull here. Ooh. The day opened up beautifully. So we got some cows over here. We got the bull right here. Be careful, don't step on Poopy. Okay? Hi. 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 Amiel. Amiel.
You're good. Me tienen en una cárcel.
What? No. I don't want to go inside.
Hey, Mama.
What? Yeah.
Me quité esa vaina, qué trancado. Ya.
What? Lucas? Say, Lucas, move. Hey, baby. Hi. This is crazy because this is how I used to take a bath here. Being here, like my dad just said, like 20 years later with my kids, it's pretty insane. Pretty insane. Ah! We just finished showering the kids. Hey. Hi. Open. Open. Hi. Hi, Amias. Bye, Amias. Colin. I just showered. I'm about to take Amias to see the cows. So I think it's gonna probably be too late again today. I think we're late again today. I think. Amias, let's go see the bunnies. Really, I am so blessed that I'm able to come home and have my kids see this because there's children that have never seen a cow in their life. Like Amia's over here panicking. I'm just so lucky that I'm able to come home and see this and, you know, learn about this whole different world because when I'm back home in Jersey, this doesn't even come close to what I do. Like, I get close. talk. Hi, baby. Hi, Amias. So this used to be my school. I used to go to school here. Y no vivíamos acá.
Huh?
Ahí vivíamos. About to go get the horse. What happened? El caballo?
Yeah.
Today's my last day at my dad's. I should be heading back to Medellin later. Oh my god, it's so hot today. It's been a really nice time here, just away from everything. I have no social media connections, so it's like if I go on social media, it'll load for like a minute and then it's over. So being here has definitely been a very disconnecting experience. TikToks, I usually make like a ton, but look at this one. So I'm gonna put, what keeps me sane is knowing when I'm 30, all my kids will be in school. So I'm about to leave. It's my last day at my dad's. I just told my grandma, my dad, and my aunt the gender of the baby. And of course, my grandma started crying. Let's say goodbye to my beautiful home.
Hi.
Say bye. So we just left my grandma's. Here I am with my father. I'm gonna show you guys my bedtime routine. So this is what my bedtime routine looks like. So we got the Nutrimygen, the Pediasure, and this is what my bed routine looks like, y'all. is pretty, I think is really cool. So this is my routine right here. Oh! This is my routine. Now I come into the room. I still have, I'll put 2 bottles there for Amiel. I'll put one right there for him to grab at night. And then I'll put Amias' bottles right there. I'm about to put them to bed. They're ready for bed. I don't know why they got out of bed. Here are the kids. They're playing. Miel, no. Miel, no. We're picking up my mom at the airport.
Como una de las 10 de la mañana.
Mom. Y entonces,
No ponga las manos aquí que... ¡Ay, ay, ay!
¡Polluelo! ¡Uy, míralo cómo se cabeza! ¡Yes! ¡Te amo! ¿Cómo estás, pez? ¿Cómo estás, pez? ¿Me extrañas?
we're at the mall. You like it? Yeah? I'm at the mall with my cousin. And we have loved taking his brother. So I just did a little shopping at Aldo. Every time I come here, I feel like they have so much stuff that I don't see back home. And I kind of have to take advantage. But now we're kind of just waiting here for my mom and my aunt to get here. Yeah. Where are you going? So the malls here are pretty dope. All of this here. So this mall has like a lot of greenery. This right here is like an area for kids. So we're gonna take the kids. Oh, Amiel fell asleep. So we're gonna take the kids. You wanna go?
Yeah.
So I'm really excited. I'm super excited. Tomorrow I'm leaving to Cartagena. So excited. I really can't wait. The apartment that we got is super, super, super beautiful. We're gonna be there for about 3 days until we leave for Baru, which is an island in Cartagena. Baby, be careful. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait.